So tell me if you're really there.
5 days to Christmas. Oh my God, Hem Squad. 5 days to Christmas.
When I'm with you, how can us know?
Hey Hem Squad, welcome back to your girl Hem Percy4's YouTube channel, and we are back with another vlog. As you know, Christmas time, and we are celebrating. We're doing Pixie today at work. So my Pixie, she wanted perfume for her gift, and I should be getting her treat for this week. So it's the last week of cheering, and it's the day of exchanging gifts. So I'm heading to New Kingston to BIJOUX to see if I can get a nice cologne for her, get a bottle of Bailey's as her last cheering gift. So I have that to do. Then I want to go to Azan's to get some Christmas decoration, same red and gold Christmas theme I'm working with. So I'm going to get the flowers to stick into the tree. I got a Christmas mat at Mega Mart the other day for $500. Super happy about that. And I need some cake. What do you call that thing we put the cake on? Because I have some cake orders that I'm going to do. Carrot cake and coffee cake. So I need to get stuff for those. And what else I'm going to do? I have a catering to do on Christmas Day, you know. Why? So I have a couple catering to do on Christmas Day. But yeah, I could see what go on the vlog now. I could see what go on. So if you are new to my channel, I'm driving, guys. So if you are new to my channel, welcome to Empress Euphoria. I do lifetime vlogs, cooking, hauls, whatever. I do the beauty, you know, wig, yeah. So if you like those content, definitely hit the subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications so whenever I upload a new video, you'll be first to be notified. Why my lip look so white? Look at the traffic or the pothole that hold up the line. No, the traffic.
When somebody come out now, come call it.
Alright. Just reach at the place, so I'm gonna go in there and see what kind of cologne they have. Do I have my purse, my card? Alright, let's go. Guys, so I'm gonna just leave BIJOUX. In there is crazy. It's crowded and the attendants are super busy. The price for the Pixie, the budget is $8,000. So it's like my Pixie was saying I should surprise her, and I wanted to get a perfume because, you know, having a nice fragrance is something good. But then the price, they're all over $100, which would be double the cost if I forgot buy it for $100. I say no, I end up with a blocking in the parking lot. So I say, let me just leave. So I head to Fontana now. I go say Fontana. Her scent is cool scent and cucumber. Don't see much variety of that. And I know say if they do, the price is crazy. So I am going to Fontana now to see if Fontana have anything that I can get for her. So let's see. I see some perfume though in there nice. So the YSL, need to get a bottle of that, and some other fragrances. They look on 200, 250, 100 and odd. But I'm thinking about building my perfume collection thanks to my besties. I've been always begging. I've been begging perfumes. So So what I have is gifted, but I want to get some others for myself and for my husband as well. By the way, I did my nails. Yeah, if you don't know, purple is my favorite color. So yeah, I got my nails done, gel nails. I am so in love with gel nowadays. I'm gonna be a GelX girly, like, oh yeah man, I love them. Cause what happened is whenever I go to the nail shop and they're using the acrylic, oh my god, it's when I leave I am sick. I don't know how they work with that like every day, but it makes me sick and I'm only there for a hot minute. So these are GelX. It feels like there's nothing on my fingers. I absolutely love them. Bite my nail with them nice. Yeah, so I got these done. It wasn't no, it wasn't yesterday, it was the day before yesterday. So guys, today is December 20, just in case you don't know. So it's 5 days to Christmas. Oh my god, Hem Squad, 5 days to Christmas. Can y'all believe that? Oh my god, I'm gonna put on the Christmas tree. My dog do not. Girl is just so out of it. Girl out of it, man. I like.
Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares. Cause I can't give it all away if he won't be here next year. Feeling Christmas all around and trying to play it cool, but it's hard to focus when I see him walking across the room. Let us know it's lasting now, but I won't get in the mood. I'm avoiding every mistletoe until I know it's true. That he thinks so next Christmas.
Alright guys, so I'm just leaving Fontana now. But they on a rush, come late. 8,000 the budget, as me telling them I end up gonna spend 13,000. What the bill there? My bill is 17,000. Me no know, better me go buy the perfume in a BIJOUX, because me end up spending 100 US music. So may I rush now? May I rush now for reach at the workplace because it's late. So when I get there, I'm show you what I bought. I'm gonna eat nothing from morning and I'm going to drink a Coca-Cola. Very bad. Next year, different year. Different year with a pan. $17,200. I could have go get the perfume. But them did that move take too long, man. So me get the bag here. Her gift bag. So put everything in there. Cute, right? Alright guys, so let's see what's in the bag. Get this. We did one red. Police them are going bad on the road. This. And I got the lotion. This, guys, I don't know what to buy, so me just go pick up some stuff. I got this. Oh, I got a big chocolate. I got a Bailey's. This is mine. I got this for me. That is for me. Guys, this exfoliating scrub to go with this. Alright guys, so when I get there I will let you guys see the whole excitement. So bye bye, soon come back. Alright. so my pixie.
What's that a bag? Yeah.
Very heavy.
It not look heavy. What?
So, oh, you know, Anna, you want
Anna, you want
you know, get ready.
So
Alright, so-
don't mix around there, so.
So my pixie been here for a short period of time.
Anna Stewart.
That has Wellington.
Watch her smile.
And
Match her
I was never say, always assume that I am her pixie.
I wonder.
She wear the colors.
Yeah, so this pixie gift is for Miss Wellington.
Who's a miss